Kumar. Today we will see chapter number 6, as you can see, haloalkanes and haloarenes, a chapter very important and the very first chapter from organic chemistry, and this is in the second part of NCERT chemistry, means part 2. Okay, so let's see. So as the name of the chapter suggests, haloalkane. So what is haloalkane? So it's a combination of two words. Okay, halo and alkanes. Halo means, we can easily conclude that halo means halogen, and alkane means, we all know, alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. So yeah, that's alkane. So since we are starting the first chapter of organic, we must know this thing, that what is organic. If any compound have carbon in it, carbon in it, for example CH4, C2H6. So these compounds are having C in it, so those are known as organic compounds. Okay, so we're talking about haloalkanes. Halo means, what we have to do, this is alkane. First of all, we have to see what are alkanes. So let's see what are alkanes. Wait a minute. Okay, so alkanes have the usual formula. Alkanes have the usual formula of CnH2n plus 2. So using this formula, we can write the homologous series. Suppose for 1, that is n is equals to 1, we could easily write C1H, 2 into 1, this is 2, plus 2, that's 4. Simply this can also be written as CH4. So this is the first compound in the alkanes homologous series, and this is methane. We all know these things from your class 10. We know these things from the class 10 level, that if a compound having 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen, we call it as methane. Sequentially, if the carbon number is 2 and H is 2n plus 2 in that sense, so it becomes 6, and if it is having 2 carbon, it is ethane. Similarly, number 3, if 3 carbon is present, so we will call it as propane. Similarly, number 4, butane, and so on and so forth. Okay, so we know what are alkanes. So first of all, we need to know that what are alkyl groups. Alkyl, simply, just remember this, try to remember this. Alkyl means 1 hydrogen less than the alkane group. If the first alkane, namely methane having a molecular formula as CH4, so if we take out 1 hydrogen from methane, it will become methyl. As CH3. So what we did, we just removed 1 hydrogen from alkane group and it came to be alkyl. That is, if we take out 1 hydrogen from methane, it becomes methyl. Similarly, if we take out 1 hydrogen from ethane, it will give you ethyl. If we take out 1 hydrogen from propane, it will give you propyl. Okay, so now let's see what is haloalkane. Okay, what is haloalkane? So it is a combination of two words, halo and alkane. Halo means halogen. We know halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Okay, right. those are halogens. So if we put one halogen in place of one hydrogen in any alkane, it will become haloalkane. For example, we know CH4 is a methane. We know this. We have seen multiple times. This is methane. So if we remove one hydrogen and put one halogen in this, it will become haloalkane. As suppose we are using this bromine, or it may be chlorine, or anyone from this group. So let's put it here. We need to put out one hydrogen from this side, that is 3, if we want to take this in place of one hydrogen. So it becomes CH3Br. So now the name goes like bromomethane. Bromomethane. Or it can also be called as methyl bromide. Methyl bromide. Clear? This is simply a haloalkane. And so yeah, okay. So we had seen what are haloalkanes. Okay. Such examples are given here for haloalkanes. If there is one haloalkane, you can call it monohaloalkane. If there is two, we will call it as dihaloalkane. If there is three, we will call it as trihaloalkane. Okay, trihaloalkane. Okay. Okay, what is haloarene? So haloarene means the same thing what we did in haloalkanes. We just need to put a halogen at the top of a benzene ring, any benzene ring. Okay, so this is what we call haloarene. In this case, only one hydrogen is placed at any corner of a benzene. We know this, that benzene has a symmetrical structure, a cyclic structure. Any of the corner of the benzene has equal importance until uh, any functional group is not placed over here. So if we want to place any functional group to a halogen, to a benzene ring, so it need not necessary to put at any one of them. You can put it anywhere you want. It's not specified. Okay, so look, if two halogens are at the two specific sides, or the two corresponding sides, corresponding corners of a benzene ring, so we will call it as dihaloarene. Okay, so similarly, if we see that if three corresponding corners of a benzene carries three halogens, we will call it as trihaloarene. Okay, so I hope that haloalkane and haloarene, these two terms are not so difficult to you. Okay, so let's move on to degree of haloalkanes. Okay, so degree means look here. Degree means, as you can see in your NCERT book, that degree means you have to first identify that what is the functional group. So this is your functional group, this is your functional carbon, this is your functional carbon, this is your functional carbon. Okay, so the number of alkyl groups directly attached to your functional carbon, that number will be your degree of the haloalkane. For example, in this case, only one alkyl group is been placed directly with the carbon, functional carbon, so it is primary haloalkane or 1 degree haloalkane. Similarly, if two alkyl groups are directly attached with the functional carbon, then we will call it as secondary haloalkane or 2 degree haloalkane. Clear? Okay. And likewise, if there are three alkyl groups present or attached directly to the functional carbon, we will call it as tertiary or 3 degree Haloalkane. Okay, hope this is clear to you. Okay, I hope this is crystal clear to you. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so don't get confused with R and R dash. Please don't get confused with R and R dash. So R means the alkyl group, and what is R dash? R dash is one alkyl group, but this is another alkyl group. Okay, so let me tell you. In this case, CS3Br, CS3Br. So in this CS3Br, CS3 is the alkyl group. So we can also write this CS3Br as RBr. Clear? Okay. One more example I must give you, that CBr, let it be, in your NCERT book it is shown like this: R, R dash and R double dash. So let me put another something else in place of R dash and R double dash, so that it will become crystal clear to you. In place of R, let me use CS3. In place of R dash, let me use C2H5, which is ethyl, we know this. And in place of R double dash, we may use another one as C3H7. So we had used different types of alkyls. That's why we had named it as R, R dash and R double dash respectively. So that's the meaning of R, R dash and R double dash. Hope this is clear to you. So this was just an introductory class on Haloalkane and Haloarenes. Hope this is clear to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.